What's up, Mavericks? Today I want to talk about something every business owner who processes credit cards should know: your effective rate. If you accept credit cards, you're probably paying processing fees every month, but most business owners have no idea what they're actually paying. Your statement might list a bunch of fees, percentages, and card types, but the effective rate cuts through all of that noise. It's the single number that tells you exactly how much of each sale you're giving to your payment processor. I've been in the payment space for over 15 years, and I've helped thousands of businesses calculate and understand this number, because once you do, you'll finally know whether your rates are fair or if you're getting ripped off. So in this video, I'll show you how to calculate your effective rate, what a good rate looks like, and what to do if it's too high. The effective rate is simple. It's your total processing fees divided by your total sales volume, and that's it. It shows you the true percentage of every dollar that goes toward processing fees. If your statement shows $10,000 in total sales and $300 in total fees, your effective rate is 3%. That means for every $100 you process, $3 goes to your processor. And this one number summarizes all the complicated rates, markups, and hidden fees on your statement into something you can actually understand. Your processor might tell you you're on a great rate. Maybe they say you're paying 2.5% or 2.9%, but the effective rate reveals the truth because it includes everything: transaction fees, monthly fees, statement fees, PCI compliance fees, batch fees, and any additional hidden charges. So if your effective rate is higher than what you were quoted, you're probably paying more than you think. I've seen merchants who thought they had great rates at 2.7%, but their effective rate was actually 3.8% once all the extras were added in. Now that 1% difference might not sound like much, but on $500,000 a year in sales, that's $5,000 straight out of your profits. So what is considered a good effective rate? Well, that depends on your business type. But here's a general rule of thumb. For retail, you want to be in between 1.5% to 2.5%. Restaurant, 1.8% to 2.8%. E-commerce, 2.3% to 3.3%. And for service businesses, 1.7% to 2.7%. If you're consistently paying above those ranges, it's worth asking why. And maybe it's because you're on an expensive pricing model like tiered pricing, maybe you're being charged unnecessary fees, or maybe your transactions are being downgraded because of how they're being processed. Now, to learn more about pricing models, you can check out my video, Credit Card Processing Fees and Rates Explained. I've linked that in the description. Now, once you've calculated your effective rate, the next step is lowering it, and that doesn't always mean switching providers. So here are a few ways to bring it down. First, you can ask for a rate review. Providers often have the flexibility to adjust fees for existing customers, especially if you process a lot of volume. Next, you want to make sure you're on the right pricing model. Interchange Plus or membership pricing is usually the most transparent and cost-effective for growing businesses. You're going to want to batch out daily, which helps keep your transactions in the lowest cost categories. And you obviously want to reduce chargebacks and fraud, because too many disputes can raise your costs. And lastly, review your statements regularly. Processors sometimes add new fees quietly, so definitely stay on top of it. To calculate your effective rate quickly and find a lower cost provider, check out our new analysis tool that I've linked in our description. And if you don't want to switch providers at all, there are consulting services that specialize in renegotiating on your behalf. They'll audit your fees, calculate your effective rate, and negotiate better terms, all without changing your processor. I've linked to a great consulting service in our description if you want to go that route. But overall, here's the takeaway. Your effective rate is the only number that truly tells you what you're paying to process credit cards. Once you know it, you can make smarter decisions, negotiate better terms, and stop losing money to hidden fees. So use our tool to calculate your effective rate and start your journey to lower credit card processing costs today. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's also profit. Thanks for watching, Mavericks. Stay sharp, stay profitable, and I'll see you in the next video.